Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Blessed everyone, Dancehall skilla here again. Manners and respect. My people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person with what seems to be blood on the person's face. I don't have any confirmed information as to what caused the person to have what seems to be blood on the person's face. However, in the video, the person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person admitted that he was stealing, or as what the person said in the video, thieving. The person said some more words in the same video that gave me the understanding that the person talked about more than one person's, and the person also claimed that he had been ordered with a gun to his head. In my point of view, I think that the person was trying to give an explanation as to how he ended up in a situation like that, you see? And, you know, I would like you to listen to what the person said in this video, and you can tell me if you believe or if you do not believe what the person said in the video. And because the video shows what seems to be blood on the person's face, I did something to the video to try and keep this video as family friendly as possible. Alright? I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had recorded. Before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, okay.
Right. My name is Felix.
Okay.
Right? I was ordered with a gun to my head. Right? I got to call Johnny. Right?
Where he live?
On turn from a street. Right?
Where is he calling the house?
It's a green.
Okay, why is the name of the guy?
Johnny.
And the other guy, what's the other name?
Johnny.
Johnny?
Right. Guy,
How he is?
the brown skin.
What size he is? Tall?
Nah, yeah, just like about say a little shorter than me. Well, let's see my head when I was
Yes, you want to have the gun?
Right, yes.
You have the gun?
Yes.
What kind of gun he have?
I don't know much about gun, but the gun he had is like a small gun. You can hold it with your one hand or your two hand and shoot it.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Point out of my head.
Okay.
Right? I owe him. Tell me, if I do as he say, he will either kill me, he will go after my child. I begged it. I plead with him. He didn't have no mercy with me. Just like how I know you will not have mercy here. But you catch me thieving your things. I admit that. Right. He told me, if I do what he say, it's either he will kill me or go after my family.
So, and you jumped to the house inside, right?
Yes, I did. Right?
And what did you thief?
All I took was that day.
Why is that?
That jack day. That is what he told me to bring personally.
Okay, first time you do that, or is there the second
First time I came here,
and
first time,
who did the four rings and tires?
I was sitting on the corner there. A guy they called Key Charles, anybody know him? They might know him as Key Charles, but he was small.
Why he do?
He dark, he's a thief, that is his yes, I can tell you.
So what did he do? What did he take from here?
Came with 4 tires a night, good rims. I sit down and I was like, wow, who you got? He reply was, do study that. Right? That was his
and who thief the clothes?
The clothes. This guy they call Sunil. And you know I get the vibes was here because when I came out here and I walk going so I see he came out to my house and he landed. So I was like, I have no clothes hanging up outside. Anyhow, it's not my business. I go my way. Keep up on the block.
What's his name again?
Who name? My name was his name.
His name, yeah.
His name, Sunil. Let's call him Sunil. His nickname was Bootman.
Bootman.
Right, that's his name, right? Is an Indian guy.
Is an Indian guy?
Yes. Short. He ain't have no body, it's a big body. He could be about my size and body size. Yeah. Right? And when he came, I go back to see him on the block. I said, all the clothes on him, alright.
Okay.
He said, but I have clothes on him.
And who is the buyer? Who is the buyer?
Right?
Who buy the clothes?
The clothes, smokers on the block. Smokers on the block, brothers on the block who already having. Selling for us and not like pants and shoes.
Okay.
Right? Yes.
And all the cables and all the parts for the cars were the thief?
Guys, smalls.
So all you take that like a...
Johnny take them things from me.
So all you have to go in all the time in this house? All you leave it, all you take it like a bacchanal, that all you get anything here easy?
No. As I say, I got to put it in my head.
So you put a gun in your head?
And this guy, he and two other fellas, these other fellas had jersey on their face. I couldn't make them out. But he came to me bareface because he knew I knew him. Right? And he kind of fear in my heart towards him. I use my hand, I want to show you something on my hand, right? You see, it have two, everybody like a closer, you see. It have two scars here, right? Right.
That man do it for you?
That man tried to kill me. Right? The first time I have to go on thief was on the road there. Then a bar. They went season and them went to in the bar.
So when they put the gun in your, they hit you or something like that? Or?
Well, yeah. I don't know if it's bottle the thing on the hand gun. Put my hair so. When the fella, he's tall. He look like he in late 20s, early 30s.
So you know him?
I'm not sure if it's I'm not sure if it's Pumpkin or is the youth man along the way. I don't know him. Anyway, I see him.
And where they live in the back?
Right?
Where they live in Dongso?
The one who I'm speaking about right now, I mostly believe that the one who live along the road. I'm not exactly where, right?
But the railroad in the back and the railroad in the next side?
Yeah, on that side. Right? Yes. That is one. And my hands?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Well, my people, I don't know what to call that. Would you call it a confession? You know, the way all the person explain certain things. Well, when I say explain, the way the person talk and I say certain things. Would you call it a confession? You know, what would you call that? You know, do you believe what the person said, or do you think otherwise? You know, what do you think? You see me, in my point of view, I'm not so sure what to say, because guess what? No. You see, when a person find themselves in a trouble, you might be surprised to see some words what we say and some things that we do to get themselves out of trouble. That's the thing, you know. So I'm not so sure what to think. I'm not so sure if I should believe, or if I should not believe, or what. You understand? But you can tell me if you call it a confession, my people. I just have never left that topic there. It's set away, you know. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person brought a type of Ludi board at a location where a certain amount of persons were at. Based on some words that have been said in the video, it seems as if there were persons at that location who did not like that type of Ludi board. Now let me point out that the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a Ludi board with certain letters and words marked on it, now viewers and subscribers. And for those who might not be a Jamaican and might be wondering, what is Ludi? Ludi is a type of game that some people play. A lot of Jamaicans play that game that is known as Ludi. Some Jamaicans might call it a board game, some Jamaicans might call it a dice game, but it's a type of game that some people play. You see what I say? However, throughout my years of playing that game that is known as Ludi, I've never seen a Ludi board looking like that before in my life. I start to wonder certain things. But anyways, let's look at this video and get an understanding about the situation. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Bolo, what was you thinking when you took this board here? You took this look.
Right away you can hear certain words said in the video.
Then why did you take the board?
Look very bored, right?
LG. Transsexual.
As a Jamaican, I have a good idea as to how some Jamaicans might respond when them see a Ludi board like that. So that's what people, you know, and the thing about it is, you know, I know that you have some people who might not even pay attention when it comes down to certain things. You see what I say? You see, But me can't help but wonder if the person did even realize what was marked on the Ludi board. You understand? Me also wonder if the person even have an understanding as to whatsoever was marked on the Ludi board. Me start to think of different type of things when I look at that video. So I say, you know what, I'm gonna let you write this. So anyways, let me know what you think about the video. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know what I watch?
Dancehall Skilla.